Problem number 1 for the resultant of concurrent force system in space. Determine the magnitude of the resultant of the given concurrent force system in space as shown in figure 54.0, where A is equal to 100 pounds located at 3, negative 2, and positive 1, and force B, which is equal to 250 pounds located at negative 3, okay, negative 3, negative 2, and positive 3, and force C, which is equal to 100 pounds located at negative 4, and positive 5, and negative 3. Okay? So, hanapin natin yung resultant ng force system na to. So, ngayon, meron silang tatlong forces, and lahat ng tatlong forces na yan is merong mga components. Yung ating force A is merong component na sabihin AX, tapos ating AX is to the right, yung ating AY is downward, okay, yung ating namang AZ is forward, yan, AZ, tapos yung ating force C is, yung ating CY is upward, yung ating namang CZ is backward, and yung ating CX is to the left. So, CX. At last, yung ating force B, yung ating ibang kulay yan, so ating black na lang. Okay, yung ating B, yung kanyang BY is downward. So, yan, ito yung BY natin. Yung ating namang BX is to the left. Depende sa direction ng ating mga forces. Kasi ganito yung direction Or depende rin sa mga distances na given or yung coordinates. Kasi dito, negative y, negative 2, ibig sabihin, pababa talaga yung ating force in terms of y-axis. Ito naman, to the left, yung ating bx kasi yung kanyang x is negative 3, papunta dito. Okay? Tapos yung z natin is forward kasi positive 3. So ito yung ating bz. Ayan. Tapos kung natin lahat ng mga components natin, gamit yung mga equation na nakuha natin. So, yung ating resultant is equal to square root of summation of fx squared plus summation of fy squared plus summation of fz squared. At kung babalikan natin yung ating force F sa tigit-tigit sa mga forces, over D is equal to Fx over X plus or equals to Fy over Y is equals to Fz over Z. So, doon muna tayo sa force A. At force A, yung ating force F dito is yung ating force A na equal sa 100 pounds. At meron tayong mga given na distances or coordinates. Pero wala tayong given na AY, AZ, and AX. Kaya gagamit natin itong proportionality nila. Okay? Kaya yung ating force A over D is equals to AX over X is equals to AY over Y is equals to AZ over Z. Na kung saan ang X natin at force A is equals to positive 3, yung ating Y is equals to negative 2, and yung ating Z is equals to positive 1. So, makukuha natin yung ating D by square root of X squared plus Y squared plus Z squared. Kaya yung ating distance DA is equals to 3.742. Kaya makuha natin yung ating AX, which is equals to X multiplied by A over D. At yung ating AY, makuha rin natin, which is equals to Y multiplied by A over D. And yung ating AZ, which is equals to Z multiplied by A over D. So, makuha natin yung components nila. Yung ating AX is equals to positive 80.171 pounds. At yung ating AY is negative kasi downward, 53.447 pounds. And yung ating AZ is equals to positive 26 kasi to the forward, 26.724 pounds. Okay. Yan. So, force B. So, at force B, alam naman natin na ang ating force is equals to 150. Gagayahin natin doon sa ating force A. Kunin natin yung ating distance B, which is equals to square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Ang x natin in force B is equals to negative 3. Y natin is equals to negative 2. And yung ating z is equals to positive 3. Kaya yung ating dito is equals to 4.69. Ayan. So ngayon, makuha natin yung ating bx is equals to x multiplied by b over d. Yung ating namang by is equals to y multiplied by b over d. And yung ating bz is equals to z multiplied by b over d. Yan. So yung ating bx is equals to negative 159.915 pounds. By is equals to negative 106.61 pounds. And yung ating BZ is equals to positive 159.915. 915 pounds. Okay. Last, at force C. Ang ating x sa C is equals to negative 4. Yung y natin sa C is equals to positive 5. At yung ating z is equals to negative 3. Ayan. Kaya yung ating cx is equals, So makuha natin yung ating force d dyan, distance d by this equation. Ang ating distance d is equals to 7.071. Kaya yung ating cx is equals to x multiplied by c over d. Cy is equals to y multiplied by c over d. And yung ating cz is equals to z distance multiplied by c over d. Okay? At yung ating cx is equals to negative 84.854 pounds. Positive 106 naman ang ating cy na 0.067 pounds. And yung CZ is equals to negative 63.640 pounds. Yan. So, makuha natin yung ating summation fx squared, ay yung summation of fx, fy, and fc. So, pagkasama-samahin natin lahat ng components. Okay? Sa components ax, bx, and cx for summation of forces x. So, summation of force x is equals to, syempre, assumption natin, upward is positive, to the right, sorry. To the right is positive, syempre, okay? So, positive ang ating ax, okay? So, positive ax, yung ating namang bx is negative, so negative bx minus cx, okay? Yung ating summation of forces fx is equals to negative 164.598 pounds. Okay? Yung ating namang summation of forces y upward is positive is equals to negative ay, negative by, and positive cy. Yes, since it is negative, sabihin yung ating summation of forces fx is equals to, or directed to the left. Okay? Yung ating namang summation of Fy is equals to negative 53.99. Okay? 54 pounds. Since negative, it is directed downward. Okay? At yung ating summation of forces Fz, forward is positive. Ayan, ito, forward. Forward is positive is equals to positive Az plus Bz minus Cz. This is equals to positive 122.999 pounds. Okay, and it is positive, therefore ang ating Fc is directed forward. Okay? At makukuha natin yung ating resultant R. So, gamit itong equation na to, at ang ating resultant R is equals to 212.453 pounds. So, ang direction nito is directed forward down to the left. Okay. So, kung napapansin kung naalala niyo sa natin, chapter 1 and 2, yung forces and components, kapag kinuha natin yung R, kailangan natin, yung R, kailangan natin ilagay kung ano yung direction niya. Kung upward to the right, upward to the left, okay? Dito naman, tatlo na siya, okay? Yung ating resultant R is equals to 212.453 directed or pointed forward down to the left. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, forward. So, ito yung ating summation of Fz. Tapos yung ating y naman is downward. Ayan, ito yung ating summation of Fy. And yung ating Fx is to the left. Ito yung ating summation of Fx. Okay? Kaya yung ating resultant R is ganito. Ayan. Yun yung direction ng ating resultant R. So, kung kukunin naman natin inclination nila with respect to resultant ng ating summation of Fx, Fy, and Fz sa resultant, so, gamit natin yung equation natin sa introduction ng resultant of concurrent force system in space. Yun yung ating theta x is equals to arc cosine of summation of Fx over R. Kaya ang ating theta x is equals to 39.218 degrees. Okay? At yung ating theta y is equals to arc cosine of summation of Fy over R. Kaya yung ating theta y is equals to 54.623 degrees. At yung ating theta z is equals to arc cosine of summation of Fz over R. Kaya yung ating theta z is equals to 75.278 degrees. Okay? So, dito, yung ating angle. So, ito yung ating theta x. Tapos, sa z naman, ito yung ating theta z. Sorry, yan, theta z. Sa, ano naman, ito pala yung theta y. Okay, sorry. Theta y, ito naman, theta z. And ito naman yung ating theta x. Okay? So this is our example number 1 or problem number 1 in resultant of concurrent force system in space. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.